how to add CNAME record if you're using Crazy Domains products. Simply log into your account at Crazy Domains. Now, depending on the product that you're using and wanting to add DNS records called CNAME record, all you need to do is find the setting. So I'll show you a couple of different examples. Let's imagine you registered your domain with Crazy Domains and you want to add CNAME record. Then simply find your domain management link here, press on it, and then press on DNS settings, and here you have add record. Let's add that. Select CNAME record as the type. Now what goes here will depend on your requirements. That means you should have these details here. For this tutorial, I've created a couple of examples, so I'll show you that. Let's imagine that's the name. Let's imagine we put that there. So these details should be in front of you. Okay, whether you want to verify your site with Google Search Console or Google Workspace, and then simply populate these details and save record. So now that's how you add CNAME record. Let's imagine we want to edit it. We just press the pencil icon and make changes. If we want to delete it, let's press delete and let's delete. So now we've just deleted the CNAME record. That's if you registered your domain with Crazy Domains. Now I'll show you other options such as cPanel. Let's imagine you've got web hosting with Crazy Domains. You can press on the manage option for your web hosting. So whether you're using premium DNS, mail exchange on Crazy Domains products, one way or another, simply find the DNS settings to add CNAME record. Okay. So I'll show you cPanel option as well, because this may be of help, because many people use Crazy Domains web hosting. So when you're in cPanel, press on Zone Editor. Here you can see we can quickly add CNAME record. And as we can see, name and the record can be added as such here. So we could have done that, this example here as well. Let's say this example and then add record. So we can do that here. Also, we can press on manage, and here are all the records for this web hosting for this domain example to work. And from here we can actually add the record as well. Choose add CNAME record, valid zone name. You will have this in front of you because that's why you want to change the CNAME record. Time to live, currently in 2025, it is this. And then record is fully qualified domain name. And then simply let's save changes. I'll just show you that we can use cPanel Zone Editor to do that. And then I can edit that here, or I can delete it. This is how you add CNAME records on Crazy Domains products. Once again, depending on the product that you're using, simply find the DNS settings to add, update or delete CNAME records. Before I close up, definitely check out Rank Your YouTube channel, because I've got other tutorials related to Crazy Domains as well. And while here, if you're thinking of purchasing other Crazy Domains products, definitely visit Rank Your Blog and check out this link as well to get even better discounts.